Okay guys, in this short video I will show you how to set up the second monitor. Let's say you already plugged it in, but it doesn't work. First thing you're gonna do is go to your desktop, you're gonna hold Windows key and press P. So, you might have it on PC screen only, which means only one screen will be enabled. You're gonna press extend, which will enable the second screen. After you press extend, other things you can do is go to display settings, and here you can set up your displays. For me, if you press identify, it's going to show you which number is which, so you know which monitor is which. So basically what this means, if you have the first monitor on the right side and second one on the left side, then this means how your mouse will work. If this is my main one, you can see, you can click main, make this main. So when if you turn one off with the same, let's say you want to use one, you go press PC screen, it's going to be only the main one. So the mouse works like this. If the first one is on the right side and this one is left, to go to the second screen, you just have to move your mouse left. If you switch like this, you'll have to go right side. If you go above, you have to go up. If you go below, I mean, you understand the point. So basically after you've done this, you click apply. Another thing to not forget is go to advanced display settings. You separately have to set up the refresh rate. See, mine is 280 and the second one is 144. You might have it on lower one, just don't forget to put the highest one. Hope this helped. See you next video. Bye.